Finding winning Amazon products shouldn't take hours. Here's how to do it within minutes with Helium 10. I found profitable products in a matter of seconds, and you can see 3 that I just found. This is a fly mask for horses. Super unique, super niche, easy to make, and they're selling it for a high price. And I know for a fact you can get this made for less than $5. They're making $17,000 a month. Option 1. This one is for the underbody of a horse. Again, really bad reviews because it's low quality, yet they're selling it for so much money. Again, I know for a fact you can get this made in China for an extremely low price. Again, probably below $8. Still making $10,000 a month because there's no competition. Next one is a little bit of a mask. Again, we're just going through horse products right here, and this is making 40 grand a month. It's just completely insane. Only 207 reviews, right? If I had horses, I would totally make something like this. And again, this one actually looks very high quality compared to the other 2. So I'm going to show you how you can find these so quickly in different niches, different products, all that fun stuff. So you're just going to go to helium10.com. There's a link in the description with a free trial and a discount, but you can sign up for free to start. Once you sign in, then you're going to go to the tool called Black Box, and it really makes it super easy. So you can do any category. I'm just going to do the category where I showed you. I just did pet supplies. It needs some improvement. It's like ad lib. You literally are going to be plugging it in, and we're going to do the monthly range. So we want to see pet supplies. It needs some improvement. Competition's medium. I want to sell my product between $30 and $100, and the monthly revenue is $10,000 or more, right? And of course you can just like change these up or go through advanced, but let's just do the basic search first. And then let me see if everything matches up. And then you can see a lot of different products. And I'm sure heavy ones are going to, or new ones are going to be popping up every now and then. But this is really where I found the horse products. And of course when you think about pets, you usually think about dogs and cats, but it's the special niche products that do the best. So there's so many different products here. I'm just gonna filter it by horse. Okay, we got some horse stuff. And I'm just gonna see if there's any other new horse items that we didn't see yet. And here it is, another mesh for horses. And this one's making $44,000 a month. And this is where we can find new products, right? And this one's just like a little bit of a mesh. And again, the reviews aren't the best. Selling it for $39 and making $40 a month, which is phenomenal, right? But these are the types of products, the unique products that you want to find and you want to just double down on. Again, I wouldn't recommend launching a product in the horse category unless you have horses, so you can actually test the product before you launch, because some of these products have such terrible reviews where you can tell they just randomly made it and didn't actually test it out. So again, a lot of different things, a dog wheelchair, right? So this is going to be the fastest way to find products. I wouldn't have thought about that because now you have different sizes, one for small dogs, one for medium sized, one for large dogs. And again, the rating's not the best, but they're still making a ton of money. A leg brace, I don't know, the picture looks really, really weird, but they're making $25,000 a month. So again, so many different products on here. And the thing about Black Box is every day it's changing. They're updating it every single day. And you can go through the filters and then be like, oh, I want, maybe you're okay with them having, you can kind of just go through the price. Maybe you want to do lower price. So if it's $10 to $150, and maybe the parent level ACE, and you're okay if they're, as long as they're making $7,000 a month. Let's go back here. $7,000 a month. And we're doing 10 to 150 price now. And then you can get more filters, more items, different opportunities. And then of course you can change the category. So you've got a lot of different items now. This one is a little cast. You can even see who sells it. So you can see if it has an American flag, that means somebody from the US is making it. Actually, this seller is from China, so you can see the Chinese flag right here. So you can double check. This one's actually sold by Amazon. You can find different items very, very, very quick in this. And then you can also niche down. So if we did pet supplies, you can niche down just directly into horses or just directly into insects, right? Go very, very specific, go very niche, and this is one of the easiest and fastest way to find products. By the way, if you are stuck on Amazon and already have a product, you can go to the link in the description and just click free listing audit right here. We'll actually do a free audit of your current listing and see how we can improve it. And then you can actually go and then check out your goal, and we'll go to see all your top competitors, top improvements to help you increase your sales. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's gonna help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. That means we're going to be managing your inventory, handling customer service, running your ads, dealing with Amazon support, finding new products, and much, much more. This is going to help you work on your business while we're working on it every single day for you, making sure everything's optimized and sales are increasing. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.